Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, May 14th, and you guys know what time it is. Let's jump into the prices of these cryptocurrencies. We've seen amazing growth in the last 24 hours all across every single cryptocurrency. Let's jump right into Bitcoin, which is at $9,281, up 4.3% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum up 3.3% at $196.71. Dash still pretty flat from yesterday, only up 0.2% at $73.24. And Litecoin up 0.5% at $42.52. As you can see here, Bitcoin was trading below that $9,000 mark, and then around 7:30 my time, GMT plus 2, it went from $9,000 and spiked up to $9,300 and has been playing on the $9,300 line ever since. If we can hold this $9,300 mark for at least 24 to 48 hours, I believe we should see a nice increase and we should stay in the high 9,000s for the next week or so. Join us later today when we go over the top news articles written in the last 24 hours, and maybe we might be able to find out why the prices jumped up from 9,000 to 9,300. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you later today.